In this video, I will unboxing a kitchen kettle Presto 06006. It says in here, this is multi-cooker, meaning you can use as a steamer, cooking stew or soup, and use as a deep fryer. So let's see. This is a kitchen kettle I bought from Amazon. The price is $26 something, so 27. Judging from the box, the size is perfect for home use. Not too big, not too small. So let's we open the box. Before I open the box, I will show you this Presto 05463.
The fryer.
This is just fryer. It's big. Two basket inside. I have this since 2014 and still working really well. It never I never complain about this. This is really well. Now I will start to open this box. Really open right now. Let's see what I get from this box. Okay, I get a glass lid. Handle. I think a pair of handle. A heat control for this kettle. Yeah, this is heat control. See? A basket. Yeah, I think this is a basket for this kettle, so you can use as a steamer or get the fryer, anything you fry. Manual book or user manual. The kettle itself, so the body of this kettle, yeah, like this. It's a good size. A cable for you to plug to electrical outlet, and I think, yeah, I'm right. This is the feet for the kettle. There are 4 of them. It looks nice. It's smooth. It's a good kettle. And this is the basket. It looks very short handle, but this is how you store this basket. Just watch carefully. See, you can unattach the handle, and then there's a stripe there. There's lock. That's the lock. So first You swipe like this, so you can move the handle easily, and then you lock in place like this, yeah, and then you lock the handle to the basket like this. There you go. Yeah, like this. There you go. You get the long handle basket. It's safe for you to handle with hot stew or boil or steam. It's easy. It's super easy and nice. Now you need a Phillips screwdriver to attach the feet and the handle. I will show you how to attach the feet first. Now let's attach the handle. Yeah, you still need a Phillips screwdriver to attach the handle. In here, I learned from my mistake. It's easier to attach the handle when you actually turn the kettle upside down and then screw from there. And there you go. You get your kettle with handle and feet attached. So now basically you're ready to use this kettle already. Don't forget to attach the heat control to the kettle like this. Yeah. The basket on. Yeah, and this is when you fry. This is the lid. Nice, fits, small. The size not too big. I'm done unboxing this Presto 06006. I hope you like this video. Next time I will make a video to review this product. So thank you my friends for watching this video. If you like, please give me thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.